SwayamPrabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Out of all these reflections can emerge the employee assistant programs. An employer sponsored employee assistant program or EAP is the work based intervention program which helps in identifying and assisting employees in resolving personal problems. Nowadays we see many organizations have started helpline for the psychological counseling. Many organizations have started helplines or some other mechanism to help organization to do their financial planning. All these EAPs are part of recognition that employee well-being is important, inevitable for organizational healing and organizational growth. So, EAP may include even marital or emotional problem, family issues or substance abuse. These EAPs help employees to remain connected within and also give them a sense of being part of a community which takes care of them. In this process, employees can regain their well-being. These processes help employees to regain their well-being and eventually it helps organization for the organizational healing. We know that business demands performance, business demands productivity. Productivity and production capacity both are important to be tracked. If organizations only keep tracking and keep worrying about productivity and if it does not take care of the production capacity, eventually its productivity will also come down. Organization healing is the process where organizations are able to regain their productivity by taking care of the employees through the empathic actions, empathic interventions, empathic leadership and management about the production capacity or well-being of the employees. In the current time where most of the organizations are struggling and facing the severe impact of the pandemic, they need to understand the importance of the organizational healing, and HR has to play a very important role in all aspects of the organizational healing. Thank you.